probably a little bit less than the money that got dropped out of the sky into my crypto wallet this year. That's how crazy crypto is. This is why I encourage people to be on the chain. By on the chain, I mean interacting with decentralized wallets and applications such as Phantom and MetaMask. Yeah, it pays to be decentralized. So I now want to go quickly into again. You should check out Nikolai Hauck on Instagram. I remember when this video came out and PENGU hadn't even dropped yet, and he was extremely consistent in dropping videos before PENGU dropped, just before, as soon as it went out, giving multiple theses of where he thinks this can go. So I've watched all these videos at least twice, but he was kind enough to publish a PENGU quant report. Now I'm going to read this report, and then I'm going to tell you where I think PENGU is going to go in this cycle. I think it's one of the easiest investments of 2025. And investing is not easy. Investing is hard. And there is a few times in the market where investing is much easier. And that's basically very soon when the market pulls back to a good price. And then you can basically buy a list of assets that you're looking to sell sometime in the summer. This is very rare. The market presents these kind of opportunities. And let's read Nikolai's report. So, a quantitative analysis of market dynamics and growth potential in PENGU, prepared by Nikolai Hauck. In 1 week, PENGU has become the 4th most valuable meme coin in the world by market cap. You go to coinmarketcap.com, which is the #1 website in the world for cryptocurrency information and data. You click on memes, and below Dogecoin, Shiba, and Pepe, oh, I guess Bonk's taking the spot now. We've got PENGU. And #1 on the entire Solana blockchain. So this meme coin was released on Solana. And I believe they did more transactions in Solana's history or something along those lines. It was a legendary day of airdrop claiming and trading, right? It was like a week ago. Despite launching during a down market and facing a challenging launch, with a record-breaking launch of 500,000 unique holders in 1 week, it continues to demonstrate relative strength, appearing immune to broader market trends. Yes, you guys can make yes, assets still go up when the market falls. However, I prefer to stay in cash whilst the market falls, because it's not wise to trade in these markets, in my opinion. And consistently ranks in the top 5 for trading volume daily, led by a team with some of the best reputations and track records in all crypto. After building Pudgy Penguins to a $500 million company, I just want to remind you guys that these guys are a multi-million-dollar company outside of crypto. And the toys are in every single Walmart in North America. Remember that. And now they've got a meme coin. It's very rare the world presents you these kind of opportunities. Led by a team with some of the best reputations and track record of all crypto, building to a $500 million company, their highly anticipated coin launch has made lots of noise in the industry and has been shown high praise for many to become the next biggest coin in the world. This report breaks the thesis into 4 critical pillars. Market movers, influencers are well positioned in this coin for mass adoption. Community and culture, a strong foundation built over years of brand loyalty and cultural significance. Utility, real world. Oh my God. Why did this not pin? Zoom link in my story. Here. Okay. All right. Okay, so timing the importance of early adoption before mass awareness hits. Introduction. What is Pudgy Penguins? Pudgy Penguins began as an NFT collection that launched on the 22nd of July 2021, featuring 8,888 penguins priced at $30 to $60 each. Let's have a look at the actual penguins. You go to OpenSea.io. This is the #1 NFT website in the world, equivalent to eBay for NFTs. And then we search for Pudgy Penguins. Only in the world of crypto could you see this kind of upside. These things were being sold for $60 to $90 3 years ago, and now they are priced at 22 Ethereum, which is basically $85,000. You may think it's crazy, but that's intellectual property. Okay, so a mass hype in the market. Today, the NFT collection total value was sold over $0.6 billion, making it the second most valuable NFT project globally. Expanding beyond Web3, Pudgy Penguins launched Pudgy Toys in 2023. Physical plush toys sold in Walmart, Walgreens, and Target stores worldwide. Millions have been sold, and the toys integrate with their Pudgy World game, combining Web2 and Web3 experiences. I actually bought 15 of their toys. They're at my friend's house right now. Beyond NFTs and toys, Pudgy Penguins has become a media powerhouse with massive social media reach. Many users recognize their branding without knowing its crypto origins, just like Talifa here, demonstrating its mainstream appeal with an ability to reach. If you follow the Pudgy Penguin social media, you will see that they literally don't talk about crypto. Everything on the little Pudgy's Instagram and TikTok is just good vibes, and yeah, my girl loves it. These successes demonstrate Pudgy Penguin's ability to transition beyond a niche NFT project into a global brand. The launch of its token PENGU represents the next evolution, leveraging its established audience and multi-channel presence to create one of the most promising coins of the decade. According to Nikolai. I think this is going to be one of the most important exposures of the entire 2024 bull market. If you go to the top 100 cryptos, let's be honest, you cannot the average person is unable to explain to me what the hell most of these coins do. Even me, somebody 9 years in crypto, I don't really know. It doesn't make that much sense to me with regards to every single coin in the top 100. For example, I'm just going to pull up a random coin, right? Thorchain. The hell is Thorchain? Rune. Oh, sorry, Rune. I know what this is. This is a Bitcoin, a Bitcoin layer 2 infrastructure, right? This is very, 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 very easy to understand. It is a meme coin of a multi-billion-dollar intellectual property company that have physical toys and is one of the biggest NFT collections in the world, second to I think Bored Apes, right? And they've just bought the OpenSea of NFTs. This is an easy play. I think this can go to as high as $100 billion market cap, 25 billion, an extreme conservative guess. And I don't like overly guessing things. This is why I don't provide an opinion to most things when people ask me about XRP and this and Tron or whatever. I don't know. I understand this to the highest degree, right? Which is why I publicly on this live Zoom earlier this year bought three of not the big penguins because I can't afford them, but the little ones for 1 Ethereum each. How much are they now? I think they're like 2 Ethereum right now. 2.5. Damn, so expensive. I can't afford another one right now. It's like 10. What is that? It's like 12 grand. The amount of reach and power Pudgy Penguins has to make their token mainstream should not go unnoticed, and it's one of the driving factors in my thesis behind them. In the past 3 years, they've been praised by some of the biggest mainstream influencers like Kai Sen and David Dobrik. They haven't even started their marketing yet. It's been 1 week and a holiday break, yet already breaking records. Key reasons why Pengu will dominate. Market movers, mass adoption before launch. The biggest indicator of early success is who's backing a project. Marketing and adoption are driven by high-profile influencers and crypto worlds, with millions of followers building hype before mass adoption comes. Pudgy Penguins over the past 4 years has gotten praise from high-profile figures before the coin launch and shortly after. Crypto whales, so whales basically people with big money, established investors showing strong convictions with 8-figure positions, that's $10 to $99 million. GCR is regarded as one of the greatest crypto traders of all time. Back in 2021, this anonymous Twitter account turned $1,000 into $1 billion, all verified in the blockchain. I dove back into his old tweets and found these. Back in 2021, GCR, G, G, Gigantic Rebirth. Why don't I post? Gigantic Rebirth. Uh, Was very bullish on Pudgy Penguins. He bought upward of 500 NFTs, which is now worth, God, what is 500 times 15,000? Probably 6.5 million. He predicted that if Pudgy Penguins would ever release a token, that he thinks it would accrue the benefits of mass adoption and inject tremendous liquidity to the projects, giving both whales and retailers incentives to trade. That's what he said in 2021. He then went on to say that Doge was the most potent meme of the past decade, and Pengu looks like a contender for this decade, and that it would be revolutionary that he aims 8 figures into it. Reminder this was all the way to 2021 when nobody even batted an eye at the thought of a Pengu token being released. 1 week into launch, somebody purchased $14.72 million of Pengu. It's not confirmed that this was GCR, but everything lines up to be him. The greatest crypto trader alive, who's predicted some of the biggest rises and falls of coins, is heavily invested in Pengu, starting from 3 years ago before its inception. He believes mass adoption is on the way for this coin, and he bought in early. Alongside him, there are more tweets and shown interest from some other massive figures in crypto space. Go search Pengu on X and find hundreds even more. So we've got Alex Becker here, who is a big crypto influencer. I don't like predicting stuff like this. It's going to 7 billion in the next 30 days. I don't know with a sliding market. Um, the best performing asset in crypto is Pudgy Penguin. Shout out to Luke Belmar. Today, one penguin is worth more than one Bitcoin. Yes, the big penguins, they did in fact go to over $100,000 each. They've taken a bit of a drawdown since then, but that's crazy. Not only that, arguably the most important support from major exchanges and Pengu has gotten more support than any other token that has launched before. Here are just a few examples. Solana officially tweeted Penguin. Phantom, the biggest decentralized wallet for Solana, has tweeted Penguin. Moonshot tweeted Penguin. OpenSea tweeted Penguin. Magic Eden, the biggest NFT marketplace on Solana, tweeted Penguin. CoinGecko, arguably the second biggest crypto information site, the biggest probably outside of CoinMarketCap, tweeted Pengu. It also started to get mainstream visibility as the CEO of Robinhood, which is one of the biggest retail exchanges in America, has been discussing it on Fox News. There are also rumors of it coming to Fortnite. That would give it insane intellectual property, which, given the power of this company, is genuinely a realistic outcome. The fact that influencers and whales have been supporting this project before launch is a rare signal, as it takes lots of trust and reputation in tobacco crypto projects. Early entries before mass adoption typically yield exponential returns. Community and culture. Culture drives success. A strong community and culture are the backbone of any successful crypto project. Pudgy Penguins proved its resilience during a bear market, maintaining value and loyalty. Bear market survival. NFT prices saw from $30 to $107,000 purely through its cultural and communal strength. The token has adopted the same community with a breaking launch, getting more unique holders than the third biggest meme coin in the world, which is Pepe. This is one of the most important metrics in coin success. Think supply and demand. When more people buy and hold than sell, the price goes up. That's 500,000 holders. Meme potential. With 34 billion views on Giphy, memes play a massive role in driving awareness. In meme coin markets, the common narrative is one impression is $1 in market cap. I don't know how true that is. Community-driven adoption is what sets Pudgy Penguins apart, making it more than just a coin. It's a movement. So this is basically daily Pudgy Penguins GIF views on Tenor, which recently reached 120 million views. Utility and timing, real use cases beyond speculation. Unlike many meme coins, Penguin provides actual utility. It provides there's the Pudgy World, a game where plush toys integrate with blockchain to create digital experiences. Now, let me tell you how crazy this shit is, yeah? So, I can tell you today because I bought 15 of the toys, right, from Argos. I bought 15 of these physical toys in Argos. And I just want to show you. Let's go to Landrise page. Yeah, so this is what we bought. We bought these toys, and each toy is supposed to come with a digital asset. All 15 toys, some motherfucker went to Argos, bought hundreds of these toys, swiped the bottom of them, and then refunded them. And now we're arguing with Argos because we spent hundreds of pounds on these toys, trying to get the digital asset, right? You try to find these toys in the UK without the digital asset being swiped. You probably won't find it. Because me and my team spent hours last week running around London, spending loads of time calling retailers. It's real. It's real, I can tell you, on the ground. There's the abstract chain. Now, what is the abstract chain? As I've said in 5 webinars before this, but I'll repeat it again for those here for the first time and watching this webinar for the first time. There is something called the abstract chain. This is an Ethereum layer 2. So basically, built on Ethereum. Think BNB, think Polygon, think Avax. Okay, they are building their own blockchain, which aims to make crypto accessible for the next generation. So basically, being able to create wallets just with an email. What is this guy tweeting? It seems like PENGU was an obvious trade. The next obvious play is abstract. I think holding PENGU gives you exposure. It's a win-win though. You stack a major meme when out the cycle and position for another LC winner. Yeah, I think that it will be multi-chain. Meaning that I think the coin will exist on abstract as well. The owner of Pudgy Penguins run an ethos of rewarding people who support us. I seen in the PENGU token release there was $1 million in tokens given to holders of Pudgy Penguins NFTs, giving each NFT $100,000. Lol, abstract gonna open at 10 billion at this rate. It's actually gonna beat the PENGU airdrop. I bet PENGU holders get an allocation. See, there's gonna be one of the greatest chain launches ever. Yeah, this is a theory. Like people have this theory that if you buy, I don't want to FOMO you guys, because I think it's more important to buy at a. To be fair, like now is a decent price. You could wait till 30, but if you believe it's gonna 10x, then you should be fine, right? I don't know how far low Pudgies sorry, the Pengu coin is gonna drop down to, depending on how far hell breaks loose. For whatever reason, this is holding up whilst the market falls. Kind of crazy. Yeah, I'm not really trading. I'm just accumulating on the dips. So yeah, there's a theory that if you buy lots of Penguin, you somehow get an airdrop when abstract launches. That may be true. I don't know, but that's what people say. The abstract testnet will be launched in January. Regardless if they do an airdrop or not for Pengu holders, I do think this is a great market cap and this is a highly undervalued asset. Timing, early entry before mass adoption. Timing is everything in crypto. Pengu metrics show explosive early growth. Fuel isn't lit yet. Marketing campaigns are still in their infancy. Influencers and whales continue discussing it despite a down market. Conclusion, Pengu isn't just another meme coin. It's a movement combining Web3, retail, and cultural branding. With strong fundamentals, influential backers, and real-world adoption, it has the potential to become the defining crypto asset of the next decade. While not financial advice, it is smart to enter any market if you expect mass adoption to come. For those looking to position themselves early, Pengu presents an unmatched opportunity. Finally, the last thing that makes me extremely bullish on Pengu is when coins launch, they usually launch almost always on decentralized exchanges first, like Jupiter, if it's a Solana token, or Sushi or Uniswap if it's an Ethereum token, right? It usually launches on decentralized exchanges because it means that they don't need to be regulated, and then it starts to work its way up to centralized exchanges. Starting off with like the more shitty, the less regulated ones like Mexi, And then finally moving into more prestigious centralized exchanges such as Bybit and Binance. Luke Ness, the CEO of Pudgy Penguins and the team, they did a crazy move because what they did was they aligned themselves to launch on all centralized exchanges immediately, and this is basically why the token didn't really dump that hard because there was so much liquidity. Only real centralized exchange you need to go on next is Coinbase, maybe Robinhood and Revolut as well for more liquidity. But yeah, I feel like that's one of the reasons why the floor is holding. Anyway, um you can find this document if you just go to Nikolai Nomics' Twitter, and then basically click here. I just feel like I wanted to do one more dive in Pengu, um, one fundamental dive recorded. Next week probably just do more technicals. Um, yeah, I think this is one of the literally one of the clearest runners of next year. And you want to put your money in clear runners. Like you do not want to be. What are my thoughts on USDT being delisted in Europe? I haven't been thinking about it. I'm gonna be honest. Um, Maybe that is a catalyst for more drawdown, but I literally don't know how you can see. This is the thing. Like, I live decentralized. I live on decentralized. I don't use Binance. I don't use Coinbase. I don't use Swissborg. I don't use any of these applications. I became decentralized as of summer 2023, as in completely decentralized. So for me, I don't care. I don't care if Europe bans anything because I'm always gonna have access to my crypto at all times. I don't rely on Binance to give me stablecoins. So yeah, everyone's gonna be fine. There's USDC that's completely regulated by the American government in proxy with Coinbase being on the stock market and something like BlackRock owning Circle. So if it's the end of Tether, I guess we'll be fine. There's USDC. Cool. I wanted to leave it there. Let's go into Q&As. I feel like I've gave enough of a elongated, enough research. I've shown it enough times now. Pengu. This is something that should be in the portfolio. It is gonna way outperform BTC, in my opinion. It is gonna out Pengu, in my opinion, is going to outperform Bitcoin, outperform Solana, outperform Ethereum, and outperform XRP from today's price. Keyword being from today's price, right? I know there's loads of people at XRP bulls. Congratulations if you were accumulating XRP around the 70 cents zone, 50 cents, 70 cents below $1. That's great. Okay, I don't think XRP is going to go beyond $10 at this stage. I don't think it's going to do more than 4x. So wouldn't buy XRP unless it goes down to like $1, which I don't think that's going to happen. Just share my screen. There are very, very few absolute runners, right? Like BitGet token. Why the fuck would I want to own this? Now you could say, well, it went up by 72%, so that's good. Well, anything can go up, right? How much of your net worth are you going to put in BitGet token? I don't even know what the catalyst for this going up is, but this looks like a disgusting chart that's going to come down. Ugh. People get excited when they see big green charts. Your excitement, although stoicism is mainly encouraged, your excitement in the market should come when you have something called conviction. It's the big C word. What I want everyone to do, and I've said this in the past 5 streams, is the biggest financial opportunity that you have